to the Artisans Co-op.
And we have about 50 artists all told, mainly Sonoma County. It's a great group. We've got 5 or 6 people who do pottery and all different types of pottery. We've got people who do painting, watercolors, jewelry, award-winning knitters. One gal's won the state fair twice, and also an award-winning weaver. A variety of people, handmade soaps, handmade sheepskin slippers from Bodega Bay, which is what I do actually. I'm a shoemaker. My name's Angel Fiorito Letty. We are open, except for major holidays, 7 days a week, typically from 11 to 5. It's just a great group of local artists. Please come see us.